Go to your Facebook and in this left-hand menu, click on See More. In here, you will find Ads Manager. To create ads for your Facebook page, first of all, make sure to switch to your Facebook page. Then click on Ads Manager and it directly jump into Facebook Meta Ads Manager. In here, select Ads and then click on Create. Now choose a buying type. I'm selecting action. And then choose a campaign objective. So in my case, I'm selecting here traffic and clicking on continue. And then choose a campaign setup. You can select recommended settings option or you can select manually traffic campaign. So I'm selecting recommended settings and clicking on continue. Now write here your campaign name. I'm just typing here taste. And you can create a template by clicking here. And now select your budget strategy. You can select campaign budget and then go ahead and select option here. You can select daily budget or you can select lifetime budget. I'm selecting daily budget and daily budget. I'm entering here 2000s BDT for example. And you can edit campaign bid strategy by clicking on edit. And here you can select highest volume, get the most results for your budget. So select any of the option from here and here you can schedule your budget. And from here you can enable A/B test, help improve ad performance by comparing versions to see what works best. And here select your category. I'm selecting here financial products and services for example. And now go ahead and select your country from here, then click on next. And under conversation, go ahead and select where you want to drive traffic. You can select website, you can select app, message, destination. So I'm selecting here calls for example and clicking on continue. Okay, if you want to add website, just select website here and select any traffic goals or other goals option from here. And you can create a value rules from here. And again from here you can also schedule your budget for the ad and scroll down. And here under advanced audience, click on audience suggestion. And now go ahead and search your custom audiences from here. You can select your audience ages. I'm selecting from 20 to 60 for example, and gender I'm selecting all. So go ahead and adjust the settings according to your needs, then just click on next. And here go ahead and select your Facebook page or profile where you want to publish the ad, and you can select a Threads profile also. And here make sure to select create ad to publish a brand new ad here. And destination, if you select websites, then go ahead and add here your website link. And here we can see the live preview of my ad showing. You can add here a display link. I'm selecting here call, selecting call, and here I'm selecting a country code. And now go ahead and add your phone number in here. So this is a random number. Okay, now scroll down and add creative. I'm selecting image ad. And now going to media section and let's upload a custom image from my gallery. Selecting this photo for example. You can upload multiple photos for your media. Then clicking on next and selecting placement. Okay, next. And here you can write your text. You can write here a headline, description, and call to action button. So just customize the option and click on next. And here you can customize any template from here. So let's select this one. then clicking on done. And here we can see the final preview of my ad. Now all you have to need, double check all of these options, then click on publish. And this is the final step. Select your country, select your currency, and select your time zone, then click on next. Now go ahead and add your payment method. Once you added your payment method, just click on next, and that's all. You'll be able to publish a new ad in Facebook Meta Ads Manager.